Well, good morning, everybody. So today is Joanne's birthday, and to make her tummy feel better, I'm going to go to Cinnabon and pick up a couple little Cinnabons for her birthday. So yes, she said she wanted Cinnabon when she first woke up, and I got on the old interweb and found the closest Cinnabon to us. And as luck would have it, there's one in Cottonwood, Arizona, not far from where we're at. So, on the way to Cinnabon. All right, we got the yummy Cinnabons. So let's go give them to Joe, who's probably still in bed. Okay, so Joe was still asleep, but eventually woke up to the smell of the Cinnabons. And then we headed off to Sedona to have a little lunch and some cocktails and do a little exploration. So here's a couple sites on the way to Sedona.
Say it again?
You're right, because it's your birthday.
Every day. Bye-bye.
Even though you're wrong.
Kill her.
Cheers.
Nom.
Num num.
Let me tell you what.
You might as well have drank half of yours.
You did, didn't you? That's why it was over there.
And this is what a birthday girl gets to do.
Holy shit. Mode, my eyes are opening.
Oh, too much. Two different flavors. So when you're in Arizona, this is how you guys go to wineries. You get the picture? Hello, ladies.
And as we know, sometimes birthdays can turn into birthday weekends. So we met up with our friends, Tina and Darren, and they came over with their side-by-side, and we decided to go visit a winery. And on the way to the winery, we decided to make a little pit stop and kind of take a little trail through the desert. And then after that, we went to the winery. No filming at the winery. We were just kind of visiting, catching up. We hadn't seen each other in a couple months. And having a good time. But the next day, we decided to go take the side-by-side out and go to Schnebly Hill, up off just outside of Sedona. And here's what that day looked like. It was a gorgeous day. The rain did come and get us, but we had a lot of fun. Watch us bounce around over these rocks. And Darren, great driver, manipulated the rocks well and just blasted through all of this.
Hey, everybody. We're letting JoJo get a little sip of water, rinse her mouth. Just had a little protein bar. So here we are out on Schnebly Hill. I like saying that.
Schnebly Hill, yep.
With
Sedona.
some friends. And
It's a surprise. We can't tell you who they are.
they're the mystery guests. But here's their Can-Am.
We're slumming it today
Yeah,
in
so-
this monster.
Yeah, we're having a ton of fun with this. And Darren and Tina, but they don't want to be on camera.
Wave to them.
So we're going to wave. to
Wave, wave, wave.
them. Hi! Hi, everybody.
Turn it on so we can see them.
No, they don't want to be
They
on.
said they'll wave.
Okay, we're going to do a 2-second wave. Is that okay or no? Ready? Wave.
Hello! Hello! Hello!
All right. So anyway, we're out here celebrating the extension of Joanne's birthday.
Still.
Yeah, still.
My birthday month. Oops.
And
Oh my word. Did you just fucking roll?
something broke. If you heard that snap, something on that Jeep snapped.
Something's not. Are they still moving?
Oh yeah. So anyway, we're going to show you some of the fun that we're going to have. And this thing's awesome. Let me show you a little bit about it. I'm going to get a close-up. It's got massive shocks and travel on the front and clearance of about 18-20 inches. And he has got this thing loaded up and decked out. Got the headsets so we can get talking to each other while it's screaming down the trail.
And I don't know all the details of what he's got on this, but it's tricked out. And lots of gear. So he's prepared. And that's it for now. And what'd you just say? Yeah, right. Sexy like a walrus. Anyway, so we're gonna have a lot more fun with this today, and a few other things you're gonna see in this video. So stay tuned. But before we jump into all of that, don't forget we're having the e-bike giveaway. We're giving away 2 cinches on October 30th, and I emphasize October 30th because Tina thought we were going to give it away like the day after I announced it. So yes, October 30th, we're giving these 2 bikes away. So go ahead and look for the clues that are in here. And here's a little clip that'll tell you more about the contest for those of you that are new to the channel. Here we go. All right, for those of you that are new to this channel, we are running a contest to give away 2 Aventon cinch bikes like this. So all you have to do is watch the video and look for the icon like this, which is a little cinch bike, and it'll have a letter or a number or an image on top of that. So look for that and keep track of those throughout the video. Now those clues are randomly put in the video in any location. Could be at the beginning, could be in the middle, the end, or all of those things in there. But somewhere in the video you're going to see at least 1 clue. There's usually multiple clues, but look for it and remember what it is so you can enter it into the form. And then when you're all done, all you have to do is go to this link right here. I'll have it below, but you go use this QR code, scan it on your phone, and it'll take you right there, and you fill out the entry form to win the bikes. And at the bottom there, in the form, it's going to let you put in the clues that you saw from this episode. And don't forget to put that episode number. It's very important to organize your answer, whether it's right or wrong. So have fun, enjoy the video, and look for those clues. Remember, it's going to be a little cinch bike like this with a letter, a number, or an image on top of it. All right, back to the video. So we saw this woman walking down this trail all by herself, all dressed in white, carrying a Bible. And she apparently hiked to the top and is walking back because God told her to do so. So that's why she's doing it. That's something that you don't see every day. So as the day went on, the lady we saw dressed in white migrated into the ghost of Schnebly Hill, and we all had a lot of fun with that one. So that is the theme for the day. We saw a ghost on Schnebly Hill for Joanne's birthday. On the way home, we took a little detour and went down another trail called Brokeback. And this is an awesome trail. And this is where we could really test out what this side-by-side could do. Pretty awesome machine that Darren's put together here.
Okay, Tater Chip, let it rip.
All right, what an awesome day. As we head home, we reflect on how much fun it was, and we want to remind all of you to don't forget to leave comments on what you thought about this video or anything else, and do all the things. Be the click monster. Hit that little like, subscribe, and ring that little bell. And for all of you that are playing in the contest, or participating in the contest, I should say, don't forget to find all the clues in this video, and then you go to this link, and I'll leave a link below as well as a QR code right up here in the corner that you can scan and go right to the contest entry form on our website. Well, thanks for watching. Make it a great bucket list day. Goodbye.